Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an Ubisoft account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Ubisoft to get of course to their website. And after that, you just need to go and download Ubisoft Connect. So if you don't know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have a separate video on the topic how you can actually go and download the Ubisoft Connect. Now, when you, of course, download it, you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Here you can put in your email address, your password, and log in. But of course, now we need to firstly go and create an Ubisoft account. You just need to click here, login. So not login, just click on or create an account. Then here you need to, of course, firstly go and enter your date of birth. So I will not be putting my own information. I'll be putting some information just for the sake of this video. Here you can go and enter your username that you will, of course, then use. After that, you need to go and put in your email. After that, you need to, of course, put in your password. And of course, you have the password rules here. So it must be at least 8 to 16 characters, lowercase letter, uppercase, number, special character, and cannot contain the username. Then click continue. And as you can see, my username must be unique, so it is not unique. So I will, of course, then put something like this. Click continue and create your Ubisoft account. Click, of course, that you accept the terms of use. Then just put in your verification code, which you will get on your email. Click create account, and your account will then be, of course, created. So you just need to go to your email. There you will get your verification code. I'll be doing that on the other screen. So now just take the number. You have it for 4 minutes, just so you know. And click create account. And now your account has been created, as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.